Good morning. You join me on a very, very cold day. And I've got a special for you today. Let's see what the Grenadier is really made of. We're going to do some pulling tests, okay? But before we start, I'm Dan. Thank you for watching and joining. We have a Grenadier here, which is mine, and we do different videos on it, okay? And it's a brilliant car, and please check out all the other videos if you'd like to see more in depth. But today's video is how much will it pull? Okay, so let me spin the camera and I'll show you what we're planning on doing. Okay, so we're going to start off by pulling this tractor in neutral up a 100-metre track, which is slightly uphill. And this weighs around 4.5 tons with the sprayer on. So we're going to start off with that, and we're just going to put a simple strop on the front linkage to the tow bar and see how she gets on. See how it works, see how the torque, see how everything works. Then we're going to progress up fast to a JCB Fastrac. Now, the JCB Fastrac is a big lump, as you can see. You compare it to the size of the Grenadier, and it's massive. It's about 9 tons. I will put all the facts in the video, but it's about 9 tons as she stands. So will the Grenadier have the torque and the grip to pull that up that hill? Let's find out. Let's find out. I think it will be a great test of its overall performance. So, if you're interested in this video and you want to see a result, stay till the end, because there is one extra thing that I will try and pull if it does this easily. So, let's get it all ready and let's see how we get on. So, standing from behind, you can clearly see the size difference. So, we've got basically 5 tons, 4.5, 5 tons. We've got the INEOS, which I believe is about 2.5 tons. And we've got the Fastrac, which is 9 tons. It is bitterly cold, but I have warmed everything up. So what do you reckon? Do you reckon this is going to breeze this or not? But like I said, if it does, I'm adding a trailer with a digger, and that is another nearly 8 tons to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump in the car. We're going to set it up first with the case and see how we get on. So everyone, thank you for watching. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, we've now got the tractor on, and we've put a strop behind the INEOS. This strop isn't really strong enough, but I have faith that it will do its job. So what we're going to do now you can see this, before we do anything, let's get inside and see how it goes. Okay, now on this is 5 tons. I'm confident that the car's going to cope, so I'm going to leave it in just bog standard 4-wheel drive, and let's see what happens. Okay, let me just take up the slack. Let's take up this slack. Yeah, okay. She's starting to move. So the rev's currently 1500, going 3 miles an hour. You can't really see the track, you just see it through there. There is someone in it, just in case. But this first test, this is, like I said, is 5 tons odd. Not a problem. All right, now we've got her on. This is going to be an interesting one. So we've got the JCB on here. We've got the strop on here. I'm a bit worried because, I'm not going to lie, this is the most I've ever tried to pull with a Grenadier, but we'll give it a go. We'll get in the cab and we'll, oh God, let's see how it goes. Okay, here goes nothing. You can clearly see the JCB is on the back if you look through the window. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, she's doing it. She's moving it. Let me flip the camera around. I can't believe it. So you can clearly see she is towing now up this hill. I have put it in off-road mode and everything, but still Wow. It's the torque and the power. It's just amazing. Now this is the hill. This is where we're going to keep the power on. There's a bit of wheel spin coming. Just a little bit, but we're going to keep her going. We're not giving up. We are not giving up. She's going to get up there. Wow. What a vehicle. That is a heavy, heavy, heavy load. And she has just bridged. She's still doing it. She's still doing it. She's not giving up. She's not giving up. She's done it. Well done to the Grenadier. Oh my God. That was a bit touch and go, but it's a big old machine. All right, now we're up the top. I'm not going to do the trailer. I feel it's too much. But it does show you that this car, once again, has ample power for normal usage. I mean, this is an extreme test. I wouldn't recommend doing this, and I'm sure a Grenadier and warranty would have something to say about probably doing things like this, but it does show you what it's capable of doing. And I hope you liked this video, because these videos, to come up with things in your head, to do things, to try and give you as much entertainment, but also something interesting to watch, and I hope you like it. So everyone, thank you so much again, and if you are still watching, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. We are creeping up to the point now where we can do more. The more people we have, more subscribers, the more we do, we can do some fun things. And if we get enough likes and comments, maybe we will up the ante and see what she really will do before she fails. So everyone, it's New Year's Eve. I hope you have an amazing New Year's, and I'll catch you all on the next video.